How to make Instagram creator account. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a creator account on Instagram. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you, please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, basically here, first of all, what you need to do is that you have to make sure that you have update the Instagram app from Google Play Store or App Store. And let me just get inside my official Instagram account. And guys, here what you need to do is that you have to click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner, and here this type of interface will be pop up. So here on the top right corner there is a 3 days, you can see. Just you need to tap on it, and then here you have to click on settings. To make a creator account, you have to click on account and scroll down, and here you can see you will find one option that is switch to professional account, the bottom one. Simply you need to tap on it, and it will redirect to this page. Click on continue, and here you can see you can select any of the suggested creator. So you have to click on digital creator here, and then click on down option. It will take a 30 seconds to finish creating your professional account. So first of all, you have to create a professional account for a digital creator account. So almost it's done. So here you can see this is the point where you have to select for creator, not business. So just click on next option, and then here you can see this type of interface will pop up. So if you want to complete your profile, you can just complete it, or if you don't want, just go back. Just minimize it. Let me just get inside Instagram, and if I click to this, you can see here I have successfully created a professional account, creator account. So if you go to this 3 days and click on settings, here you can see you'll get the option creator. So this is how you can make creator account on Instagram. Thanks for watching guys, see you soon on the next video.